Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 2-piece pack of finger guards. Now, what are these finger guards for? They are for when you are cutting up food, and that way it helps, your fingers, so you don't accidentally damage your fingers or hurt yourself while you are cutting. So I'm gonna bring you in here close so we can take a look at these, and then I'll show you how to use them. So here are these little guards up close. It's got like a 50-degree angle through here. And you've got all sorts of areas. I mean, it's 304 stainless steel on here. In the back, you can actually just adjust this based on the size of your finger. So whenever you put it on there, you just have whatever angle or your fingers, anything like that. Then when you go to grab your fruit, you can't cut yourself through this. So it's a nice little guide to help you get in to cut your food up. And you don't have to worry about, missing anything up or not holding it right, anything like that. It's a nice, cut resistant metal with that stainless steel. You have a lot of different options, and you can even use it if you get something stuck like on your knife. You can easily use it just to clean off your knife, get all that food off of there. But these would work great for anybody in the kitchen.